Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be making a very delicious rose petal jelly recipe. I thought I will take you in my garden. We are going to be picking some roses and then I will make them into the jelly. So 3 cups of rose petals and then add equal amount of water, like 3 cups of water, make the tea, then add equally the same quantity of pectin sugar. If you want to add the pectin and the sugar together, it doesn't work out. I have tried it with a different recipe and it just was lumpy. So first add the pectin, make sure it's dissolved completely and then you add the sugar. I like to use pectin sugar for convenience sake because it's already mixed together, and pectin is usually taken from apples. Some of the jam recipes you don't need to add pectin, like example red currants, they are very high in pectin, but the other watery berries and fruits, they need pectin, so you get the jam consistency. You can beat it lightly, but there's absolutely no bugs. I'm going to wash this shortly. One. 2, 3, 4. Same amount of water. 1. I'm leaving this for half an hour and then I get back to it. You can even leave it a little longer. I guess after lunch I'll get back to this one. Make sure you put something wooden so it doesn't break. The glass can break with the heat. Juice of 1 lemon. This is petty sugar, like 3 cups. I switched to this flame because this is a little faster. The other one is very slow. When it starts to froth, what you can do is you can use a whisk and just make sure this, get a clear one, use a whisk. That way it will not affect the color and the texture. Another way you can test is if it says then it stays, that means it's done. This is another way to check. Okay, now time to bottle. I made all these jams here and let this cool, and when it is cooled automatically seal, and this one I will have to use it up quickly because it was not hot, but the others were really piping hot. I have shared a few rose petal recipe. One is a rose petal jam, and then a rose petal syrup, and then a rose ice cream. I will link them all in the cards above, and those which are in the blog I will link them below in the description box so you can get a printable version. And in case you are new to my blog, you can subscribe. I've started posting regularly again. I hope this video was useful, and let me know in the comments below if you have done this recipe and how you liked it. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.